Okay, I know you have your MT4 on your Android. Your MT4 means MetaTrader 4 is a trading platform owned by MetaTrader. Owned by MetaTrader or powered by MetaTrader, through which or on which forex traders worldwide participate in the forex market. The forex market is a global market, so you have the Meta MT4 on your Android, and I'll be showing you from the MT4 how to execute trade. Or before then, I will explain some things on the MT4 platform so that you know what you are actually you know the tools you'll be making use of and why you'll be making use of them. So from my screen here, I open my MT4, and of course you can see my MT4 is now open. I just logged onto my MT4, and what you are seeing on the screen now is what is called quote window. This is called the quote window, where you have the currency pairs rearranged, and from this quote window you can choose any of the currency pairs you want to trade or you want to analyze and all that. And before I go ahead, I'd like to let you know, understand what we mean by currency pairs. If you look at the screen, if you look at this quote window, you will see the very first currency pair, the first row here, with the abbreviation EURUSD. That means Euro US dollars. Now, currencies in forex market are quoted in pairs. Currencies, I repeat, are quoted in pairs. That's why you have all the currencies here, all the markets here in pairs. You have EURUSD, that is Euro USD. You have GBP USD, that is Great British Pounds, United States dollars. You have USD JPY. You have USD CAD, that is US dollar versus Canadian dollar. USD JPY, US dollars versus Japanese yen. You have USD CHF, that is US dollar versus Swiss francs. You have NZD USD, that is New Zealand dollar against US dollar. You have AUD USD, that is Australian dollar against USD, and so many more, which I don't have to keep enumerating one after the other. Okay, now you can see they are quoted in pairs, like I said, and as it is quoted in pairs, it has significance. The first in the quote, you have two instruments or two currencies in any particular quote, like the first one there, Euro USD. The first in that quote is called the base currency or the quote currency. The base currency or the quote currency, while the second is called the counter currency. All right, the second is called the counter currency. Now, the interpretation here is that what you will be seeing, or the quote you are seeing on the market, like after After the Euro USD, by the right, in that same row, you see figures 1.1296 and that, and also 1.1298 and that. So those are the prices, the market price. Now, the relationship with the quote currency or the base currency and the counter currency is that what the figure that is quoted here is the value of the counter currency per the quote currency or the base currency. I repeat, the figure that is quoted is the value of the counter currency per the base currency. What it means in simple terms is that the base currency is always 1. The base currency is always 1. Then, if the base currency is 1, it means that the value you are seeing here belongs to the counter currency. And what it means is that what you are seeing here is how much you can spend to get 1 of the base currency. How much you exchange to get 1 of the base currency. So in this case, it means that to have 1 euro, you need $1.1297 dollars. That is what it means. So you can use the same analogy for all, or same interpretation for every other currency pair. It's just the same. That's how simple that is. Okay, so this is like I said earlier, this is the quote window. All right, so now and down here, down at the bottom, you see this blue double-headed arrow. This is the icon for this quote window. Then next to it is something that looks like candles, and this is the next place we will be going to, which you will often be making use of, where you have the chart window. So the next thing there is what? Your chart window. This is your chart window. Now, of course, you can see the chart. You can see your chart, and you can see things that look like candles, and of course they are called candles. They are called Japanese candlesticks. So this is a type of chart we use to do analysis. Okay, we have 3 different types of charts. One is the line chart. 2, the second is the Japanese candlestick, which is what we have on the screen, and then the third one is the bar charts. Let me show you what the line chart looks like. Go to settings. You can see line chart. You can see chart. Under chart, you have line chart. Then I come back to the chart window. Of course, you can see that the candles have disappeared and leaving us with lines. So this is what line chart looks like. The green line is the lines, which shows us the direction of the market, which I'll explain later. Lines show us the direction of the market. Okay, so we use it for analysis. We use candlestick for analysis. We use the bar chart also for analysis. Let me also show you how the bar chart looks like. The bar chart from our settings charts. Okay, look at the bar chart. Look at how they look like. Let me zoom it a little so that you can see how it looks like. Okay, for the bar chart, all right, the chart is updating. Now for the bar chart, you can see the green bar and then the white bar. Now this is the same thing, the same way it is in the candlestick chart, where you have the green and the white. Of course, these colors are not always like this. I chose these colors. You can, any other person can have green and red, or white and black, or all this kind of thing. Depends on how the person likes his chart to be. All right. So I will not be teaching much about the chart now. Maybe for today, I just want us to get to know how you can be, you can start executing orders so that you can start practicing your demo. All right. So let me go back to candlestick chart from the chart. Candlestick. Okay. So now this is your chart. This is where you analyze the market. This is where you analyze the trend. What is a trend? The trend is the overall direction of the market, the movement of the market. Where is the market heading to? Where is the market moving to? Is it going northward or southward? I mean, is it going up, or is going down? Okay. Where is the direction of the market? Is it a bullish market or a bearish market? When we refer to bullish market, it means that the market is going up. When we refer to bearish market, it means that the market is going down. Okay. We can also say a selling market. A selling market is a bearish market. A market that is going down is a selling market. That is when traders sell the market. A bullish market is a buying market. That is when traders buy or always execute or go for buying executions. All right. So now here now we have these two colors differentiating the candles. We have the green and the white. For my chart here, the green candle represents a bullish candle. That is a candle that is going, or a market that is going up, while the white one represents a market or candle that is going down. Remember, the candle is not the market. Just note it, the candle is not the market, it's just a tool to signify direction. Okay. And if you look at this market, if you look at my chart, if you look at this chart here, you see a line that is moving up and down, especially the one that is in ash color. That is the current position of the market, or the current market price. At the moment, that is the current market price, the price of a dollar per euro. You can see there 1.13050. You want to exchange dollar per euro at this very moment, that is what it is. Okay, so now the candle here is a green candle. The last candle here before is a green candle, and even the one that is running currently is also a green candle. Now the last candle here is a green, ended as a green candle. It shows that the market in the last 1 hour was bullish. Of course, the time frame I'm using here is 1 hour. If you can see that at the top left of your chart, of this chart, is we have H1, that is 1 hour chart. So in this 1 hour chart, or in this chart, it means that every candle you see here in this 1 hour chart, it means that every candle you see here took 1 hour to open and close. Just like the one that is running currently now, it opened at 2 o'clock on the dot, and by 3 o'clock it will close just like the previous ones, and the new candle will start. All right, so assuming we go to different time frames, the same interpretation follows. So now back to what I was saying. The last candle ended as a green candle, meaning that the market ended bullish in the last 1 hour, and you can see the white candle before the last 2 hours, which meaning that the last two that white candle for the white candle, the market ended bearish. It was a bearish close, meaning that the market actually went down, and then after which the green came up again. It ended in green, and that means the bulls have taken over the market. All right, so now for this candle it has an opening and closing. All right, it has an opening and closing. For this bullish market, for the bullish candle, for this okay, let me take what is called a crosshair. Let me take these two called crosshairs in order to give you show you what I want you to observe. I tap on crosshair right now, and it has appeared on my screen. So I will now move it to show you something. You can see the crosshair. Now look at, for this white green candle, that for this the last green candle before the current one running, where I position this crosshair right now is where the candle opened. The one before it, which was also a bullish candle, it ended as green, closed, and immediately it closed, this other one opened, and opening there, it closed up here, and as it closed, the current one, which is running now, now opened. So for a bullish candle, the opening, it opens low below. The opening is down while the closing is up. Now for a bearish candle like this white candle here, the opening is up while the closing is low. All right, so now, all right, so that is that. So let me also remove the crosshair. Yeah, okay, just digest this a little. Like I told you, this is a Japan candle. We have three types of charts: the line chart, the bar chart, and the Japanese candlestick chart. And for the for what we want to achieve, for the purpose of this class, we will be using Japanese candlestick. Of course, most traders analyze and trade with Japanese candlestick. Okay, that is just that is just that.